Good morning, my dear students. Before we begin, I have to tell you something. Today is our last lesson together. Yes, our final class, and I must admit it makes me a little sad. Just like a Christmas tree without lights or hot cocoa without marshmallows. Something feels missing. But because it's our last lesson, we'll make it special, magical, and Christmassy. So today we are going to unwrap like a present the topic of gerunds and infinitives. Are you ready? So let's open the box. What is a gerund? Gerund is a verb plus ing that works like a noun. Think of it as a verb dressed in a warm Christmas sweater pretending to be a noun. So, examples. Eating gingerbread cookies makes me happy. Shopping for Christmas gifts is fun. We enjoy singing Christmas carols. Santa loves reading children's letters. So in each sentence, the ing word behaves like a noun. You can replace it with Christmas or holiday and the sentence still works. So, and when do we use gerunds? We use gerunds after certain verbs, and these certain verbs we have to memorize. For instance, like enjoy, finish, and also avoid. Like, I enjoy decorating the Christmas tree. We finished wrapping presents. She avoids eating too many candy canes. After prepositions, before going, after cooking, without snowing, before, after, without. So, what is an infinitive? It's a second. An infinitive is to plus verb. It's like the verb is holding a tiny sign that says to. The infinitive often expresses purpose, intention, or a future plan. So, our Christmas examples. I want to buy a Christmas sweater. They decided to travel for the holidays. We hope to see Santa tonight. My mom promised to bake cookies. So, next, when do we use infinitives? We also use them after certain verbs, and these certain verbs we also have to memorize, like want, hope, need, and etc. Like, I want to drink hot chocolate. We need to decorate the house. They plan to celebrate in the mountains. To express purpose, why? Santa wears red to be more visible at night. Why Santa wears red? Because he wants to be more visible. I came early to help, etc. So we have verbs that can take both but meaning changes. We also have verbs that can take both but meaning doesn't change. So some verbs use both but the meaning is different. First, try. I tried opening the Christmas box. I made an experiment. I tried to open the Christmas box. I attempt. Maybe I failed. Second, stop. He stopped eating cookies. He quit the action. He stopped to eat cookies. He paused another action in order to eat cookies. So, our holiday mini story with gerunds and infinitives. On Christmas Eve, Emma decided to start her holiday early. She loved making hot chocolate, so she began mixing cocoa and milk. Then she planned to watch a Christmas movie while drinking it. But suddenly she heard bells outside. She ran to see who it was. It was Santa, busy checking his list. He asked Emma to help him by wrapping gifts. She agreed because helping Santa is better than sleeping. So, as I said, it's our last lesson and it comes to the end. And that, my lovely students, is your Christmas gift from me. A full magical explanation of gerunds and infinitives. I know today is our last lesson and Yes, it's sad. But just like Christmas lights, the things we learn together will keep shining wherever you go next. Remember, keep learning, keep dreaming, and keep believing. And of course, don't forget to keep practicing English. Expand your horizon with us and enjoy learning every day. Merry Christmas, my wonderful students.